Hello everybody, my name is Anthony. I am an employee of Alderspring, and today I would like to show you how you can grind your own ground beef at home using a product we have called Coarse ground beef. It allows you to use a pretty common kitchen accessory, a KitchenAid mixer, and the accompanying KitchenAid food grinder available on online retailers. And what's pretty cool about this is you take this beef and you can basically customize your grind. You can get a little coarser, a little finer, and what's the best way to describe it is you have these really fluffy burgers. They're juicy and they have a lot of big air pockets in them, and they're just really, really pleasurable to eat. It has a nice texture to them. And yeah, so we'll get started. We've got 5 pounds of coarse ground beef here, and we'll run it through this and go from there. So what we're going to do here is just take our coarse ground beef and put it in the hopper. Once we have her loaded up, turn it on. Alright folks, what we're going to do now is shape some patties, and in a few trial runs we found there's kind of a fine balance between too loose and just right. So basically the idea is that you want to not compact your burger too much, but you need to put it together tightly enough to where it's going to be cohesive on the grill.